A bullet is a projectile fired from a firearm. It is designed to be aerodynamic and to travel accurately toward a target. Here's how a bullet works. Components. A bullet typically consists of several components. Projectile. The actual bullet is the part of the cartridge that is expelled from the firearm when fired. It is usually made of metal, such as lead, copper, or steel, and is shaped to be aerodynamic. Casing. The casing holds the bullet, primer, and gunpowder. It is usually made of brass, steel, or aluminum. The casing also provides structural support and helps seal the chamber to prevent gas leakage. Primer. The primer is a small explosive charge located at the base of the casing. When struck by the firing pin, the primer ignites, initiating the combustion of the gunpowder. Gunpowder. Gunpowder, also known as propellant, is a chemical mixture that burns rapidly when ignited. It generates a high-pressure gas that propels the bullet out of the firearm's barrel. Loading. To load a bullet into a firearm, the cartridge is inserted into the chamber of the gun. The firing mechanism of the firearm, typically a trigger and firing pin, is then activated. Firing. When the trigger is pulled, it releases the firing pin, which strikes the primer on the base of the cartridge. The primer ignites, creating a small explosion that ignites the gunpowder. Combustion. As the gunpowder burns, it rapidly produces hot gases. These gases expand and create pressure inside the cartridge casing. Pressure buildup. The pressure from the burning gunpowder forces the bullet out of the cartridge casing and into the barrel of the firearm. Acceleration. The expanding gases push the bullet down the barrel of the firearm at high speed. The rifling inside the barrel imparts spin to the bullet, stabilizing its flight and improving accuracy. Exit. Once the bullet reaches the end of the barrel, it exits the firearm and continues traveling toward the target. The speed and trajectory of the bullet depend on factors such as the type of firearm, the amount of gunpowder, and the design of the bullet. Impact. Upon reaching the target, the bullet transfers its kinetic energy, causing damage to the target depending on factors such as velocity, bullet design, and target material. It's important to note that firearms and ammunition are highly regulated in many jurisdictions, and proper training and safety precautions are essential when handling firearms.